how to create symmetrical designs such as this in Affinity Designer. Go to the Tools panel and select the Rectangle tool. Create a rectangle, and the rectangle can be filled obviously with anything, maybe a solid colour, maybe a gradient, but you can go to the Swatches panel. You find that all those panels in the window menu, and then select one. Now it might be linear by default, so you get this gradient, you think, great, what can I do there? Well, you can always go up here, click that, and you've got gradient, and you can go for radial. At this point, what you need to do, make certain it's set in the centre. Now you can reposition it. Matt, obviously, you think, yes, that looks like in the centre. You can use a grid, you can use guides, all those kind of things to make certain it is dead in the centre. Well, now you can go here, go to the top left, and just click here, Pixel Persona. Once you're in the Pixel Persona, you can go down here, go to the Smudge tool. So here's the Smudge Brush tool. Make certain you've got symmetry, set that on. Now I'm going to go for about 6400, something fairly small. You obviously don't want to go for too big a brush because obviously the range you've got to use. If you go for 500, it just doesn't look good. You can set the flow, set the strength, and you can apply any of the brushes. Now I'm just going to use this one and just apply it. As soon as you apply it, you see what happens. It uses those colours. See the green there in the centre, so you can come out there. Maybe I go there to the purples and drag that out, and you can see create all kinds. Or maybe go to the blue, and you can drag. Obviously, you can also drag in the white from outside as well. And you can create literally thousands of different designs. And you've got all these brushes to use. Obviously, some I've created earlier. But you can select a different one, maybe change the size. Again, keep it fairly small. You don't want to go beyond the limits of this area. Otherwise, it just sort of ends up blending badly. And again, just apply it like that. Now, if you want to add in additional colours, just go here, Paintbrush tool. Then you've got a range of different ones there you can select. Maybe select this one. And I've got the colour pink there, so let's just go with that. And you can see then you can quickly add that. And you, of course, can create all kinds of combinations. Now, you don't have to obviously go for symmetry 12. You could go for 8, 4, all kinds of different symmetries can be used. Once you're happy with that, you can always then go back to the Affinity Designer there and just click there. And there you have it, a very quick design using the smudge, a gradient, as well as the paintbrush tool in Affinity Designer. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.